mic. Yeah, back. Okay, so today, welcome to my channel again, guys. So today, basically, this is a tool I use Debit um to record my videos. But welcome to today's. Hi, guys. Welcome to today's video. So today, I'm gonna show you how I created the Win with Trivia app. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to remove all the stuff that's just causing me problems. So what happened was, basically, it was basically a trivia game. So let this open up. And my Admob account had gotten blocked for some reason. So I have an Admob account that's got blocked for some reason, and things just happen. So I'm just going to go to Admob. Right, and you'll notice that I say sign in. Got a couple of accounts. It says try another account. Now try another Google account at this time because it's been terminated. Right, so I gotta create a new Admob account. Right, so I guess I'm gonna go here and create one. So I'm gonna say Admob. Well, actually, I need an AdSense. Alright, so new AdSense account. Google AdSense. I wanna use one of my no reply at media one. Create an account on that one. And in this one, I'm gonna say sign in or get started. Set up my URL, which is ML, boom. So copy that. Started with AdSense, set up URL, blah. Right, Visual Studio. Well, you can see my branding here. I think I gotta make this more less this thing. But anyway, it's basic, so who cares? I don't really care. I'm gonna remove that, say that. Email address, cool. I'll keep it as that. I guess next you sign up with your AdSense account. Yes, please customize preferences, suggestions, save and continue. So I'm in South Africa. Let's see how good it is. Come on, South Africa. Review my terms and conditions. Okay, cool. Yes, I've read the terms and conditions. You gotta just say yes. You don't have a choice in it. You're in control. Get started. Cool. It's an individual account. This is a. Let's change this to develop me dev. Address line. I'm just gonna put this off screen for you guys and then come back on it because I'm filling my address in here. Okay, so I filled in my information and I pushed it in here, and now I gotta copy this code and put it into my site. So I'm gonna put it into this. This is my website. So I'm just gonna sort that out and see. Hopefully this comes through. So there's the code. I'll copy here and I'm gonna paste there, and hopefully that solves all the problem, because this is basically a handlers. It's just basically a core app that I'm just adding the www root of saying Okay, cool. Everything is there in the client app. Just adding it into that point. So it just picks up my new this thing. And so yeah, let's do that. That's 888 something whatever. And I've pasted it. So let's publish this. Alright, let's just say boom, publish. Now I've set up an Azure set of accounts here, so it's already set up to publish as a FTP site. Let that run. This is very cool because what I did was I went into Azure, pulled on, set up a web deploy application that's an FTP one, which is a free app. You just pay for the database and the storage. I think it's like 200 or 300 bucks a month. And I set up a SQL server that would connect to the FTP drop site. And basically, that's it. And I connect the two up, and we're good to go. Then you have your server information. You can access your database, and basically, it's an easy publish and deploy. Then, because it's a FTP deploy. So it'll basically the entire thing will render down right here on my project, and once it's successful, it will deploy to the site. So that's kind of cool. Let me see. And should we have deployed? Yeah. Okay, cool. So deployed, done. Looking for your code on your site. Code was found. Should now begin. Usually takes less than a day. Got it. Right. So usually takes less than a day. Cool. Alright. Now I gotta wait for that. Then I gotta go on Admob and say cool, sign in with my verified you next, and I'm gonna put my no reply one. Come to Admob, sign up, add the publisher account that pays this thing. Publisher products AdSense. Okay, cool. Johannesburg, blah 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 blah. Cool, add, create. Successfully created, help customize, blah blah blah. Cool, continue to Admob. Get started. Yes, my app is listed there. It's an Android. Search my app. Win. So let's say com dot. Can I just say win with you now? Trivia challenge. Trivia challenge. That's it. Delta me dev. The app is listed on Android App Store. Select them here. Amazon App Store. There's an App Store. Nope. Cool. Don't you see them here? No. Cool. Let's go back. Okay, cool. What I also want to do here is I want to remove my apps from being distributed here, but they actually go straight to this in Google, so that's fine. Let's add this app and how to set up app texts. So now I gotta copy this code and put it into my site. So I'm gonna copy this code and go to my website. I have to go to webroot there. Let's say paste. Cool, that's it. Say I gotta republish. Cool. Wait at least 24 hours for Admob to crawl and verify your Admob set. Okay, cool. Gotta publish this now. So you can download all these, yeah. Alright, that's my recording this thing. Okay, got it. Close that. Just create an ad unit. Just create two banners. Say banner 1. That's it. Start with one banner. So worst that could happen with one banner. That's Cosmos DB Xamarin. What's this? Uina. Okay, cool. So what I'm actually gonna do here right now is I'm gonna remove all my ads off first because I don't know what might be sort of conflicting. So my main thing is I'm gonna remove all the other pages as well. So for now, I'm just gonna have in my app shell, I'm gonna leave the practice. I'm gonna hide that one. All these other ones, yeah. Leave the practice, I leave the user scores. Right, and then I'm gonna modify my manifest, man. Take this out, add my code in there. What did I do here? Okay, cool. Log save, and I'm gonna say in here. I don't know why Spotify keeps coming up, but go here, take my ad, copy that, done. I'm gonna say in here, actually that's a website, in here, I'm actually gonna go and change that one there at the top and hide everything else. One, there's the other one. Just remove that. And I think there's some behind. So I'm actually gonna remove all of that. If I'm not mistaken, should be. I removed it, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I removed all of that. Save. Let's run this. Go to Admob. There's only one. App settings. User metrics in progress. Then and 10 in Let's have a campaign there. Go to apps, view apps. So I've set that up so it's not gonna appear here. Go to home. Okay, it's still being verified. Takes 25 hours. In your case, we notify of codifications. Cool. I haven't violated much here, so that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. I think if you want to really see what that does is it says this AppX text, and they basically check that you have that. I've also have these branches that I have set up here. So when I move this here, so set up through GitHub a Visual Studio sign in with my own sort of like account, and I know I'm in, that's why it made that sound. But your GitHub token is no longer valid. Please re-authenticate, reconnect. Cool, reconnected, and I'm good. So there's my master, there's my UAT branch, and I think I'm currently on my UAT branch. Yep, I'm on my UAT branch. Still my master, I should switch branches. This is actually fine now, so I can close this. And nope, I want to switch to UAT, and I want to say I've done those changes. 65, that's a release. Cool. Now I'm gonna say added new Admob account. Cool. Commit all. Send up. I mean, if I wanted to test this, I can go to debug. What is currently running here? I don't know what's that, but anyway, cool. I'll install that. Bunch of apps here. Uninstall everything. Let's reboot from fresh. Settings. Wonder if you could just clean the phone. Settings. So you'll notice that I send up to UAT in development dev, so I'm just gonna go there. UAT should get a push here, which will be a build. UAT gets build. Should successfully pass, unless there's some creepy things to notice. Wonder if it allowed me to do that. Didn't. Strange. Gotta remove all this stuff, man. These are all the stuff I'm supposed to be working on, but I need to sort this Admob account before I create new apps. I can't be wasting time on these silly apps when I have no Admob account. Cancel and with viewer. Okay, cool. Ooh, the Cosmos GB one. Yes. So clean that out. That's going to UAT. When that's successfully built, let's just test. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say merge. I'm gonna go to server. Not that server. Git, and I can say history. Okay, go here. View history, and I can say go here. Manage branches, and I can just say merge. Okay, then I can now switch to master. Should switch to master, yeah. Leave new branch. Manage branch, switch to master. Say I don't want to build a new branch for this. Why would I want to do that? I wanna go here and let this thing load. Then I'll say merge master into merge, yeah. So UAT into master. Right, so add a new Admob account. I've sent that up. That should create my store app going up to build, which it should start building anytime soon. I want to commit, and I say git changes up. Now watch this, quite cool. It'll load all the branches for master, and let's see which one builds. There we go, cute to build. Alright, so 15, and this will go straight to the store, so I don't need to worry about anything of that kind of notion. So yeah, fuck you, my bad for the language, but fuck you, Admob. And yeah, basically I just gotta wait for approval. Usually takes 7 days. It took 24 hours to complete. Okay, so cool. Let them do the completion of all of this stuff, because I have no time to do completion of all of this stuff. So I've got Admob here. So okay, high code home. And I can go here. I can say my account. Secure devices. Okay, cool. Third party access. Where did I use this? Doesn't matter. No emulator. Cool. Security checkup. What's your Google account? Okay, cool. Everything is there. Protected. Pro. Yes, it was me. Cool. Cancel that. That's that. Cancel that. Okay, cool. That's in. Waiting for this thing to build. This thing will take a while to build. In the meantime, let's see if my other one built. Still building. This is kind of cool. I set this up through GitHub. This kind of process though. See, 2 minutes, and then Basically, what you do when you set this up is you set up a branch and you say which you want is the release, and you select your XAML and Android stuff. Put your key store file here, distribute and send to your store. Now I can go on my analytics and see how people use analytics or diagnostics, I think it is. I don't know if I made my first I wonder what these are. But anyway. I don't want to send my first error. Let's see how to set this up. That's basically what I want to do. I've tried to do this once. I'm gonna do it now. So I'm gonna go and finish up that, and I'll know if my thing is now debug and run it. Let's see what I've done. Basically changed my Admob account. I know that you know that sometimes this happens a lot with our dev devices. I've had like I reached up to I think 100 rands in sales of ads, and they suddenly just said there was something wrong with the ads. Like they could have said that before, a week before, even 2 weeks before, when I had a lesser amount. So the more went up, it was like weird enough that they even brought that up. Could have sent me, didn't even send me an alert. They blocked it, and this is the second time they've done this. So then I go to deploy. I'm seeing start deploy to this thing. You can also use a phone. But the emulator I usually use is, it's easy for me to test and show you guys like how the app is and directly on the screen. So I don't have to like move around with a good camera. It kind of works out for everyone. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna say dev. Me dev. Cool. Now let's see what we have here. What's happening? Practice and scores, yes. Cool. I don't need you there. Go. And so all the scores here, refresh. And I'm sure that I want to remove that from refresh. But I think this will be fine for now. It's basically there. I'd really like to show you guys how I've done this, but it's not a trivial thing to show you guys what I've done here and how I did this. So basically I just had services, some business logic, pulled some list sharp queries from a bunch of places. One day I want to show you guys is how to set up gists and how to connect gists up to any sort of like activity. Like I'll show you that in the next video. Just wanted to show you how to redo your Admob account. Now it'll take like 24 hours and then I can check up on my Admob stuff. This I really wanted to show you guys so that you know that when you build in stuff, see like now that this is built, which is master, It'll go to my Play Store, which it doesn't have that one there, so I have to do here new incognito, and I have to say Play Store. I don't want to create a new developer account. So it's got a registration fee of $25. To create an account, you have to pay a once-off $25 registration fee. You may be asked to verify your identity, valid ID, and account. If you can't verify your account, registration will be refunded. Okay, cool. Let's see. Verify your identity. They always do this. Confirm. Let's just put one. Call it dev. Me. Dev. Publisher name. Official dev. Say official dev. Just put one of my personal email addresses. 656024976. Shouldn't be showing you guys that there. The valid this name is already been this thing. Enter a valid number. Like I said, doesn't exist. Okay, cool. I'm already gonna do this now. Sign up. So let's check that out. Say play. Was this account ever created? Cool, and then there should be production and releases, which is now in review, and we'd have coming up. The next is 39, and we're about done here. So thank you guys for watching. That's how to do Admob reset up, and you guys wait 24 hours. I'll give you feedback after 24 hours on how to do stuff. Let's hope everything goes well with this thing, so and I can continue my work again. Cheers guys, hope you enjoy, like and subscribe.